Welcome back. This is Further Solutions Academy. Further Solutions Academy. Encourage us more. Help us to share our video. And also, if you have not subscribed, help us to press your subscribe button. It's very, very important. Subscribe to our channel. Please help us to subscribe to our channel, Further Solutions Academy. And any of our video that has parts, make sure you start from part 1. This is for this is a video which is that I'm teaching first order differential equation, which is I'm using this method, integrating factor method. Now, the outline of this video: number 1, definition of this particular method, and number 2, ways of obtaining integrating factor, and the last one, problem on each method. I mean on the method, on the ways. Now, before you watch this video, advice to you is: number 1, help us to view, make sure you view integration and differentiation very well. That work on them. Now, at the end of this, we should be able to understand. Okay, now, if I'm talking about integrating factor, now I'm talking about integrating factor. Now, whenever you are to integrate, I mean, you are to work on ODE, which is my ODE can be like what? M of xy of the x plus what? N of what? Xy of what? Dy equals to 0. This is an ODE question, ordinary differential equation question. Number 1, you have used your what? Your exact variable separable, neither variable separable, exact, or none of them work for you. Now it means you can generate your what? Integrating factor for the such problem. Now, if your variable separable is not unable to, number 1, you can't do that. You can't use your homogeneous is not homogeneous. You can't use integrating factor. It means you will run towards your what? Integrating factor. Now, if I should use my integrating factor, it means maybe what? Transform to what? Just when you get your integration factor, after you have gotten your what? Integrating factor, now just multiply everything with what? Integrating factor. You will see that problem will be what? Will be solved. After you have gotten that, just multiply everything by what? Integrating factor. After you have done that, you will get the what? The problem solved. Now, how do I get my what? To obtain integrating factor. Now, to obtain integrating factor. Okay, how do I obtain my integrating factor? Number 1, I must know that what? Okay, to obtain an integrating factors. The following statement, by the help of m of xy dx plus what? N of what? Sy dy equals to 0. Now, let me call this equation star. Now, equation star. Since I have number 1, I will have partial fraction of m of what? Of y minus of n of x divided by what? My n, which is equals to what? Function of what? Of it. Now, that's number 1. It means then my integrating factor will be equals to what? Integral of what? Integral of function of s dx. That is number 1. Number 2, the same thing. It means this equation, it means I have what? If the equation is homogeneous, and xm y plus y of n xy is not equals to 0. Is not equals to, sorry, let me, before we move on to this one, let me explain this first one. Sorry, there are two of them, which is opposite of this one. The next one is, if it is the same, if same expression, now on the same expression, it means my partial of m all over what? Of y minus of n all over of x divided by what? N equals to what? Minus g of y. It means my what? Integrating factor, it will be equals to integral of what? Minus g of y function dy. That is my integrating factor. Now, that is the second one. The third one. Now, number one, if my third one is if the if equation is homogeneous, and what's the name of this equation? This equation my of x homogeneous, which is s my of x plus y n of xy is not equals to 0. Is not equals to 0. Then my integrating factor, it will be equals to 1 divided by x of m y of what? Of n. S divided by y of n, which is going to be, additive. That is number 3. Number 4. Please take note of this information very well. I will use it to solve problem. Number 4. Before, what one? Now, if the equation mxy dx plus msy plus s plus nxy dy are equals to what? 0, can be written in the form y f of xy dx plus xg of xy dy equals to what? 0. Equation, let me just put equation star. Equation, because I will star. Now, if I have this, where my f of what? My fy is not equals to gxy, then the expression one divides xy, open a big bracket of function of xy minus gxy, close a bracket, can also be equals to 1 of what? Partial derivation of what? Of x minus n of what? Of y, which is and what? And integrating, let me write integrating factors of the equation. Now, equation start. Now, that is all about one. This is the fourth one. Okay, let me give you another condition. If that is the case, it means where, please don't forget that where m of x and n of y, when you see something like this, it means are partial derivative. Please take note of that. Partial derivative. When you think about partial derivative of what? Of m and n. Of m and n, which is partially x, partially with respect to x and y, partially with respect to x and y respectively. Now, respectively. Now, those are the things you want to work on in this particular expression. Okay, let me now please take note of this information very well. They are very, very important. Okay, if I have a problem this way, now please take note of this problem. I want to give two problems that will explain the whole story, which is because of time, I won't be able to move as fast. Now, if I have this particular problem, I want to obtain this problem. The problem is like this. I have solved the differential equation, of x squared plus y squared plus x, or bracket of what? Dx plus xy dy equals to 0. Now, if I'm asked to solve this particular problem, we can check. We can check for the exact. We have to check for the exactness of the equation. Let me just write the equation. Now, how do I check for that? It means my of m. Don't forget that my m is equals to the one that attached to what? X. The x, which is x squared, y squared, and plus y. And my n is equals to what? Xy. Now, I will now move on by having partial of what? Of n with respect of y, which is going to be what? 2y. And partial of n with respect of x, which is going to be what? Y. Now, therefore, my partial of y, it will be is not equals to as what? Partial of what? Of n. Now, since it's not equal, therefore, and now we can now obtain I can try the integrating factor of the what? Of this form. Which is my integrating factor will now be what? Of n all over what? Of y minus of n all over what? Of x. All divided by what? By n. Which is if I should do this, it means I'll be having I'll be having 2y minus y all over what? Xn, which is I'll be having 1, which it will be what? 1 all over what? X. It means my integrating factor, it will be equals to what? 1 all over x. My integrating factor is equals to what? 1 all over x. Now, okay, now I made mistake. This is not it means my what? My f of x is equals to. It means my integrating factor, it will be equals to e of function of what? Of x dx, which is, what is my function of x? You have e raised to power what? 1 all over x, dx. Now, if I should have this, I'll be having e raised to power ln x. Now, my ln x, if I have e like that, it means it is same thing as what? My integrating factor is same thing as what? As x. Now, the next thing I will do now is that, therefore, multiply all by the what? integrating factor. Just multiply all by the what? Integrating factor. Now it means, which is, I'm referring to what? The real equation. What is the equation? This equation now, I will now come here, x squared plus y squared plus x, bracket of what? The x plus what? X y dy equals to 0. It means I'm multiplying all by what? By the integrating factor, which is going to be what? My x. It's going to be my x. Now, once I have that, I'll be having x raised to power 3 plus xy squared plus x squared, all bracket of what? It's plus what? S squared y dy equal to 0. Now, after I've multiplied all through by that, I will now move on by having, now can I test again? I want to test again. Maybe it will be decent or not. I will now move on to partial of m with respect of y. It will be equals to, it means I want to differentiate this. The one that has will be what? 2xy, and partial of n all over what? Respect of x. It will be equals to 2xy. Since I have 2xy, since xy become an exact now. Exact equation, our part 5 explain exact equation. How do I run through my exact equation? I have 3 methods of solving them. We have a comparison method, we have grouping method. Now I can answer using grouping method. Using grouping method. How do I use my grouping method? It means my grouping method can be used since this is equals to this. This is equals to this. Therefore, exact equation is allowed. My exact equation will now lead me to what? I want to use the method 2 of exact equation, which is called grouping method. It means by using grouping method, I can say that what? Okay, my grouping method, it will be equals to, okay, if I should use my exact equation, I'm using is now exact. Exact. Don't forget that. Is now exact. If I should use my exact, I will now move on by having s cubed plus x squared, all bracket of what? Dx plus I'll be having x y squared dx plus what? And I'll be having x squared y dy equals to 0. Now that is I'm using my grouping method. Now if I should use my grouping method, now I can say that this one is one group and this one is what? Another group. And when I was teaching exact equation, it means anyone that has mixture of both, you will what? You will consider them like if I should integrate, okay. Now if I should have this, I have this, I have this. It means my now with respect, which can be written with let me just say with respect to which can be written as what? Differential equation. Can be written as differential equation functions are as follows. Now, if I have to rub this question, sorry. Okay, differential equation as follows, which I'll be like okay, d of what? Bracket of 1 over 4 s4 plus all over 3 s3 plus 1, d bracket of what? 1 all over 2 x squared y squared bracket of equals to 0, which is equals to what? Is 0. Now equals to, let me just say equals to d of what? Of constant. D of constant. This is sorry. D of constant. Now dd is common on everything. equals to what? D is common on everything. Since my D is common, therefore, I can say that what? Integrate all here. If I integrating to get, now if I integrate this particular problem, it means as far when I introduce my integrating factor, I mean, with respect of D, I think D will go out of the way. Since my D is going out, I'll now be having 1 over 4 x raised to power 4 plus 1 all over 3 x raised to power 3 plus 1 all over 2 s squared y squared equals to C. Now, that is my what? My final answer. My final answer. That is my final answer. That is just it. Now, before we move on to the next one, try this. You'll be working along what the second method here, which is just try this. Try this. 2xy dx plus y plus 3x squared dy equals to 0. That is my final answer. Try this. It will lead you to second method, which is our second approach. Now, before I move on, let me give another example. Just make sure you try that question. Now, okay. Okay, and please try this. I have to rub it up. Try this. I have a problem this way. If I have this type of problem, this way. Okay. Okay, if I have this type of problem, I have another problem. I have solve the differential equation of x4 my plus x4 bracket of the x minus xy dy equals to 0. Now, I want to use this particular problem to solve. Now, it's homogeneous. This is homogeneous equation. Without looking at it, it's an homogeneous equation. Homogeneous equation. Then since my dy dx can be equals to what? X cube minus y cube divided by what? Xy 3. Now, I have this. It means I can write this as well as equals to what? Which is, I can say that what? X raised to power 4 all over xy, which is, this one can be what? I can write it as x raised to power 3 and what? Y raised to power 3 plus, this one will now be what? Y will be y all over what? X. Y all over x. Now, by looking at this, this is becoming what? Homogeneous. That is why it's what? Homogeneous equation. It's an homogeneous equation. Now, which also I can write it as well as dy, the x can be equals to what? Can be equals to, I can say that what? My y of what? Of x bracket of what? Inverse of what? Of 3 plus y all over x. Now, I think this is equal. I think you know about homogeneous equation that my y equals to v of x, which is part 4 can view it. No, part 3 and part 4. Homogeneous and non-homogeneous. Now, if I have this particular problem this way, it means my problem is what? Half solved. Since it's an homogeneous statement, by the statement, an approach. Sorry, I want to mind the point. And approach appropriate integrating factor could be used if the what? If it form this, it means my mode of x and y can be equals to what? 1 all over x of n m plus y of n. That is very, very important. That is very, very, very important. Now, since I have this, now I can now say that what? How do I get this? It means my mild, which is my mild of x and y, it will be equals to when you do this something like this, m, what is my hem? This is my hem, and this is my what? My x. And if you do that together, you will arrive at what? 1 all over what? S is power 5. 1 over s is power 5. This particular one to lead us to what? 1 all over s is power 5. Now, since I have that, now I can answer that what? Um okay. Okay, if I have that, I can now say that what? Okay, since I have that, now I can now say that what? My function of mild of xy can be equals to 1 divided by x bracket of what? My m. X bracket of what? My m, which is x 4 plus y 4 bracket and also plus y bracket of my m, which is going to be what? X, y, 3. That is just it. Which is equals to what? Equals to what? My 1 over what? F of x, which is going to be x raised to power 5. Now, since I have that, I can now test for my, let me test, maybe it's an exact now. Partial of what? Of y, can it be, which is going to be equals to, if I should have my partial of y, it will be equals to 4, it will be 4x raised to power 3, 4x raised to power 3, and partial of what? Of n with respect of x, which is going to be what? Partial of x raised to respect of what? It will be y raised to power what? Y raised to power 3. That is that is now, not yet an exact, not an exact. Because of what? Because my of y is not the same thing as what? Of n of what? Y. Now, since that is what is not yet an exact, I will now move on by having something like this. Okay, I can now move on by having something like this. Now, it means hence multiply equation 1 by integrating factor, which is what? Mu of xy. Now, if I should do that, it means in equation 2. Now, if I should do that, I'll be having what? I have, what's my equation? I'll be having x4 plus y4 bracket of what? The x minus xy3 dy equals to 0. Now, if I should multiply with all this, it means I'll be having 1 all over what? X minus, sorry, is it minus? That question is that. Okay, this is minus, sorry. Is it minus? On the question, okay, it's plus. Now, this minus this, plus, and also I'll be having y all over what? Y all over x raised to power 4, 5, yes, which is going to be 4, and bracket of what? Dx minus y x y3 x raised to power 4 dy equals to 0. Now, since I have this, I can now say that what? Since I have this, I can now move on by having now the new equation 3, which is equation 3. This is called equation 3. Now, the new equation 3 is exact. Now, how do I know that it's an exact? Let me check for m of y equals to what? Of n of what? Of x, which is equals to, they are all equal. 4y3 all over x y, which is, that is just it. Is all, they are all equal. Now, since I have this now, this is equals to this, and since it's equal, I have no problem. Now, I can now move on by having using using grouping method. It's good to use grouping method in equation, equation 3. Now, it means, in equation 3, it means I'll be having d of what, lane, x minus, plus, is it minus? Yes. Minus will come up here, sorry, minus will come up here. This will be minus. Now, minus, this one will now be what? Yes, minus will come up here. Yeah. Now, minus, this one will now be 1 all over 4, d of what? Y of 4 dot x raised to power minus 4. Yes, x raised to power minus 4. Okay, equals to what? D of c, d of constant. Now, if I integrate everything here, if I should integrate, I integrate and integrate with d with d. Now, it means d will cancel d. D will cancel d. Now, since d has cancelled d, I will now move on by having what? Lane x minus 1 all over 4, y 4, x 4 equals to what? C. It means my integration function will be what? Y raised to power 4 equals to x4, x4, and I'll be having y raised to power 4, which is going to x4, which is also 4 lane x plus what? Plus c. That is going to be, yes, I multiply all through, which is going to be like this. Yes, and also divide both sides. Now I will perform a lot of operation here. That is my final answer. That is my final answer. Now that is, this one is on 3. Now try this and make sure you drop your comment after. Make sure you try. Now solve the differential equation, having 2y plus x y all bracket of what? The x plus 2x minus 2 xy 3 dy equals to what? 0. Make sure you try this. Drop your comments after. Once again, this is Further Solutions Academy. Further Solution Academy. Further Solutions Academy. Encourage us more. Help us to share our video and also subscribe to our channel. Now, you see a subscribe button. Help us to click it wherever you are to view. Thanks for watching.